Let's do it again. Um, I was so do something. No, I just got something doing nothing. You know what? Instead, I'm doing the Dragon City record. So do Cinematics or Dragon City. So, it started. I was getting gold, and I had a bunch of gold. I had 65, 3, 2, 4. Now I have extras and collecting coins and these things. Like I just got some there. Now, I'm gonna do something. Now, I'm gonna be five. Five. Quite awesome. Now, this is just for one thing. You can get 2 extra once you play the monster arena. Come on, win. Oh, dang it. Monsters. No, that's not. Well, nope, not that either. Make it a way to get diamonds. Oh, a different. Whoa. Oh. Okay. No way. Bum, bum. Bum, ba-dum, da-dum. Finally. Alright. Come on. What was? Oh, I was gonna say I saw the number on top. This is sounds. Now this is cool. You're saying if you have like Jack 3, why can't you do that? Can't. Okay, now. Was I just being this? Yeah. Can't. So they're gonna be going up and this. So I'm gonna have to end it following. I want you to play on cells. Plus, I might want to do 5 minutes for it. So